shoot out kayo mo. Yes. At kaya naman yung shoot out. Dahil teacher Marnowi. Shoot out. So, 2009 girls category, please be ready. We are told the instrument that 150 the game will start. Tirada Global Popular 2024. Festival Born 2009 girls. Please be ready. The same is 2009 gold and 2006 going forward. Before we start, we will call all the coaches for the short meeting. For our World 2009 girls, please prepare for the first day. Field number 2, we have Sama, Local, Football, and PTI Football Team. Calling all the coaches for War 2009 boys and War 2006 boys. All coaches of War 2009 boys and War 2006 boys for our afternoon festival, please proceed to the secretariat area. We would like to thank everyone for coming. And we would also like to promote our upcoming senior stock festivals at the Dynasty USLS on July 27th to 28th. We have from U10 until U18 category and Men's US Open and our World Cup. All losers from board 2
Ay, tubig sa bag ako.
and
Yung bag na ito. Napalit ang kilo. Ay! Kuwatong blue ko, napatay tubig.
Wala, may follow up. Paano to doon?
Wala! Oo, diretso.
Ano ni Pisyo nila? Aray ko, lalo ala. Ay!
Again, success from board 2009 boys and board 2006 boys for afternoon categories. Please proceed now here at our official station.
Ay, rewan ni tawo! Ay, tawo! Kasi pala, sa naman ang kalanda, pero wala na sa gana. Oo, sama kasi pa.
Okay, awarding
Wala na sila na pamarisa. Ay, ganda.
May we call on Universal SSAFC players to receive our medals. Precious Boyd now in 2011. Born 2011, Universal FC will receive a medal from President Boyd Perez. Harap sila Boyd Perez.
Wala!
Hindi magtanga!
Okay. Universal SSA second round 2011 category. Congratulations.
Wala din kami naman tayo. Yan eh po. Ara na. Oh, go na.
We go on the world tour JJFC of Victoria. They will receive a medal and the first runner-up trophy. JJFC coaches of the
Wala naman tayo!
Baruta and Sense.
Baka taga na naman yan.
Lasal Senior and SSA
Walang tamo.
Manuel Bus Champions and Isang Award. This is for 2009. Para sa